Dali, dali. Mm. Very good. Eat. Oops. Oh, Chad, baby. Nabuling na. Do you love to eat avocado? Dali. Big mouth. Open mouth wide. Open wide mouth. Badi mausik. What is that? What are you eating? June 16, 2018. Just 2 years and almost 1 week. Because Juice don't want to eat rice with egg. He loves to eat avocado. Dali. I will guide you. Open mouth. Don't play. Open. Ouch! Agas na. Wait lang. Apa oh? Baby, give it to mommy. Apa na ko? Don't touch. Use the spoon. Use the spoon. Use your spoon. And do that you will not dirty. Big mouth. Big mouth. No, don't use the spoon. Use the spoon. Dali.